Hi Year 8, we're just going to look at the second learning intention for your energy topic. Sorry, it's a little bit warm. You're asked to be able to identify the units used to measure energy. Now those units are always joules, but sometimes they'll be expressed as joules, as kilojoules, or as megajoules. You need to be able to recognize those and convert from one to another. So if you remember, we've done this in class, and you will find your activity on page 4. So I've just written it on the board here. You can see behind me. It's in red, so it might not be very clear. But 1 joule, if you have 1 joule, we talk about joules. If you have 1,000 joules, we could express that as 1 joule, or 1,000 joules, or 1 kilojoule. And if you have 1,000,000 joules, you could express that as 1,000,000 joules, but that's a lot of zeros that you'd have to write. You could express that as 1,000 kilojoules, or you could express that as 1 megajoule. So 1 megajoule is the same as 1,000,000 joules, 1,000 kilojoules. You need to be able to convert from one to the other, and look into your booklet on page 4. If you remember, the way that I told you to shorthand this, if I go this side and just turn the laptop, is that if you are trying to go from kilojoules into joules, you cross out the K, and that helps you to remember that you actually need to multiply the number. So for example, if I have 7 kilojoules and I need to express that into joules, I have to multiply by 1,000, so cross out the K. Have a look and refresh your memory by looking at page 4, and that's probably the simplest maths that you'll do in this topic.